If you are a criminal defendant facing the possibility of going to jail, then it's important that you come up with a viable alternative that's very specific to your case, that you can present to the judge as an alternative to having you placed in jail. So say, for instance, you have a series of drug charges on your record, and on this latest drug charge, the prosecutor is asking for you to be locked up. Let's say as part of a plea, the prosecutor is asking for you to be locked up, and you're asking for probation instead of incarceration. You need to go into the plea hearing with details about where you're going to live if the judge lets you go. Do you have a counselor? Are you going to see that counselor? How often? Are you getting treatment? If you're getting methadone, say, when are you getting the treatment? Where are you getting the treatment? You need to be very specific and very detailed in what you're going to do if you're not placed in jail. Another common scenario is domestic abuse. Say you have a scenario where the husband is accused of abusing the wife. The prosecutor may ask for the husband to be held based on dangerousness during the pendency of the case. So one alternative that you could give to the judge is having another place for the person to live. Often the guy will live with his parents or a friend. Give a specific address and propose a stay-away order, maybe monitored by GPS, something very specific to the facts at hand, right? So don't just focus exclusively on the merits of the prosecution's case. You need to make those arguments, but you also need to give the judge a viable alternative to sending you to jail. I've written a blog post on this, and I'll put it in the description below.